We are pleased to show you the 2023 Toyota Mirai. Toyota Mirai runs solely on hydrogen and its only emissions are water. It's environmentally friendly with a great driving range and is a pleasure to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.